Hey, it's T Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already, please subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. This is the same wig that I used in my previous video for my heatless curls. I'll link that video down below. I want to show you how to revive your wig. We're gonna wash it, condition it. We're gonna do all this in warm water, and I did let this sit and dry overnight, air dry. I did not blow dry it. I want to make this video short and sweet, so if you have any questions, just drop them down in the comment section. Now I'm getting ready to braid my hair in 6 braids going straight to the back. Now it's completely up to you. You don't have to do 6 braids. I just like mine really flat. They don't have to be neat either. It's all going underneath a wig cap and a wig. I'm applying gel to my edges, and then I'm gonna take my wig cap and just place it over. Make sure none of my baby hairs are hanging out. I'm gonna use my Got2b glue black bottle and put that on top of the wig cap just to make sure it does not move. So while this is drying, I want to show you guys my brand new hot comb that I got from the beauty supply store. So it goes up to 500 degrees. I'll link where you can buy this down below. It has an on and off switch. I just wish it had like a temperature setting so you could change that, but yeah. I use my Loreal True Match in the shade C6 to give the cap a scalp look. I'm putting Got2b glue on my forehead and I'll let it dry. What's up, Sasha? You about to help me slay? Alright, let's get it. I am laying the wig down on top of my tacky Got2b glue. Again, tacky. It is not all the way dry yet. And I'm going to pin my hair back. I'm using the back of my rat tail comb to lay my lace in this Got2b glue. Mind you, it is not a glue, it is a strong gel. I'm gonna tie my hair up and let it dry. Y'all, oh my god, I'm loving how this part looks. It looks just like my scalp. All right, let's put this hot comb to the test. Let's see if it passes. So far, so good. It is not burning my hair, anything like that. Like I said, I know it goes up to 500 degrees. I did have to turn the button off for a little while just because I felt like it got too hot. So I'm going in with my flat iron. We're gonna get this hair bone straight. Now, mind you, this is straight hair from KendrasBoutique. I got this hair in the inches 20, 22, 24, and a 16-inch lace closure. Oh my god, why am I making this face? Oh my god. Sometimes you gotta laugh at yourself, and that is perfectly okay. So I went ahead and finished flat ironing the other side of my hair off camera. You just see me kind of going through, flattening it out, making sure I'm straight. I'm going to use a dime-sized amount of my Cream of Nature Argan oil, and my hair is slayed, honey. Look at this body. Look at this movement. I am so in love with this hair. Y'all just don't know. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.